Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Want to know how Gmail works or how the searching technique with a large dataset will take place on YouTube very easily and effectively and where this large amount of data is stored? So the answer is here, Google Cloud Platform. In this video, I started the lecture series on Google Cloud Platform which offered by Google, which is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end user products such as Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. So let's start. Here is your journey begins for learning Google Cloud Platform and know how different products of Google like Gmail, Google Docs, YouTube will work and which datasets they are using. So let's start. So before proceeding further, the question arises, what is cloud computing? As you know that cloud computing is a very attractive technical term which is using widely in today's scenario. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Means as you use means how much of you use the particular cloud, that much you need to pay. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and database on as needed basis from the cloud provider such as GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and many more. So these are the different cloud providers which provide you the cloud computing services for performing different operations apart from storing data. As you see is mentioned here in cloud computing, the capital investment in building and maintaining data centers is replaced by consuming IT resources as an elastic utility like service from a cloud provider. This is the official cloud computing definition which is given by Google. So let's move further. What is cloud? Basically, cloud computing provides services in the form of three parts. First, infrastructure as a services, which is called as IaaS. Second, platform as a services, which is called as PaaS. And third, software as a services, which is called as SaaS. So let's move further to infrastructure as a services. This is the lowest level a cloud provider can offer and involves a cloud provider supplying the bare infrastructure includes middleware, network cables, CPUs, GPUs, RAM, persistence storage, servers, and base operating system images like Linux, CentOS, Windows. So basically, what are the infrastructure, what are the system, what are the component of the system you are using, which is provided under this service. Next is platform as a services. Platform as a service involves a cloud supplier only offering a specific platform that users can build applications on. Basically, it is an abstraction above IaaS, means the cloud vendor will handle all the details of CPU types, memory, RAM, storage, networking, and many more. Example of PaaS are Heroku. Basically, Heroku provide you to host your website, your different web applications on server. So platform means on you can access for different type of CPUs, memory, and RAM. Next is software as a service. This is basically we all commonly use in our day-to-day life like Gmail, Google Photos. So basically these are the software which provide you as services to store your data. So SaaS or SaaS software and services forms the most common services cloud providers supply. They are tailored for end users and are exist primarily through websites. Example Gmail, Google Documentation, Dropbox. With regards to Google Cloud, there are several offerings outside their compute stack that are software as a services. These include Data Studio, BigQuery, and many more. So this is a brief introduction about different kind of services which is provided by cloud. So why cloud? Question arises, why we choose cloud? So basically here are the mentioned cloud computing has five fundamental attributes according to the definition of cloud computing, which is proposed by the United States National Institute of Standards and Technology. So these five fundamental attributes are mentioned over the screen. So first is customer get computing resources on demand and self-service. Means cloud computing customers use an automated interface and get the processing power, storage, and network they need with no need of human intervention to get resources. So here is first attribute where the customer can get resources without the need of human intervention. Second is they can access these resources over the network, means they can access from any part of the world. Third, the provider of those resources has a big pool of them and allocates them to customers out of the pool. That allows the provider to get economies of scale by buying in bulk. Customers don't have to know or care about the exact physical location of those resources, means these resources are sharing among customers. Provider has created the pool according to the customer preferences. Fourth is the resources are elastic, means customer who need more resources can get more rapidly. When they need less, they can scale back, means they can increase or decrease their size according to their need. And the last is the customer pay only for what they use or reserve as they go. If they stop using resources, they stop paying, means customer will only pay for what they are using. So at the end, Google Cloud Platform comes, which provides you all these services which I mentioned here in why cloud computing, means all the five attributes are provided by the Google Cloud Platform. So guys, go cloud. Hope you find this video interesting. At the last, I want to say a quote by Google that every company is a data company. Means Google believes that in future every company, regardless of size or industry, will differentiate itself from its competitor through technology. Largely, that technology will be in the form of software. Great software is centered on data. Means thus, every company is or will become a data company. Google Cloud provides a wide variety of services for managing and getting value from data at scale. So guys, go cloud, waiting for the next video from where I start the learning path for Google Cloud Platform. This is the brief introduction about the Google Cloud Platform and cloud computing. I hope you find this video interesting and find this learning path as your new journey in your career. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly press the like button, keep sharing this video and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new here, and follow Tech Academic at Instagram and Facebook mentioned here. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you soon.